Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestibility test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are going to put a new videos, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you're watching videos on suggestibility test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. So Sajja, okay, welcome back again, and this time, which is a very famous method of suggestibility test, I call it imagination game. This technique helps you to find the right candidate for your hypnotic demos. So you can do it in a group of people or you can do it on one-on-one and show them how does it feel like. So watch me now doing falling forward. Sanjana, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Feet together, come little forward. Yeah. So look into my eyes. See, I'm balanced. I can hold you. So just imagine, close your eyes and imagine some force pulling you forward. Something you pushing you from the back and you're falling forward. Just falling forward. Just let it happen. I'm there to help you. Just let it happen. Fantastic. Just let it happen. Just enjoy. That's wonderful. I'll take care of it. Just wonderful. Open your eyes. Come back. Little resistance, but fine.
Yeah.
You're doing good. You may have a fear. You don't want to fall on me. That's why you registered. All right. That's okay. If you fall on me. So this is how you do it. Now make sure the legs are together. Why legs are together? If somebody put their legs together, they cannot stand still for long. For example, stand your leg together, just stand. How long you can stand straight? Some movement will happen automatically, right? That is an automatic thing. And then you're giving them a suggestions for falling forward. It works. So find somebody, do it now, and then come back to the next lesson. And still, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get the notification. Remember to click on the bell button so that you get all the notification about new videos, and looking for you in the new video coming up soon. So please tune up. Thank you very much. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, one friend or two friends or three friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available. So please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends, and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So thank you very much for watching, and come back to the next video. Thank you.